Hello students, welcome back to mathematics video classes. Here let us we do remaining problems exercise 1.2 knowing our numbers. See the question 9. To stitch a shirt 2 meters and 15 centimeters cloth is needed out of 40 meters cloth. How many shirts can be stitched and how much cloth will remain? Once read this question. To stitch a shirt 2 meters and 15 centimeters cloth is needed out of 40 meters of cloth. How many shirts can be stitched and how much cloth will remain? What we find from this problem? Here given that to stitch a one shirt cloth needed 2 meters and 15 centimeters out of 40 centimeters cloth. To find how many shirts can be stitched and how much cloth will remain. Let us start the solution. Before doing this problem, any calculation units must be same. Okay, let us start solution. Cloth needed to stitch a shirt. How much cloth needed to stitch a shirt? Here is given 2 meters and 15 centimeters. Here given measurements meter and centimeters. To convert this into centimeters, 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters? 100 centimeters. 2 meters and 15 centimeters can be written as 2 meters plus 15 centimeters. 2 meters is equal to 2 into 100 centimeters, 200 centimeters plus 15 centimeters, since 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Total 215 centimeter. Cloth needed to stitch a shirt is 215 centimeters. According to the problem, total length of cloth total length of the cloth Forty meters cloth is given. Total length of the cloth is 40 meters. This is also you convert into centimeters. 40 into 100 centimeters. Here 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters? 100 centimeters. When we multiply 40 by 100, that is 4000 centimeters. Total length of the cloth is 4000 centimeters. What we find this problem? To find how many shirts can be stitched and how much cloth will remain. Number of shirts, therefore number of shirts stitched. Here completed division problem. Total length of cloth how much? 4000 centimeters. You write 4000 by 215. Cloth needed for one shirt. Total length of cloth by cloth needed for one shirt. When we divide 4000 by 215, division 215, 4000 divided by 215, 215 ones are 215. When we subtract 215 from 400, we get the remainder is 185. Here down this 0, 1850. 215 into 8, 1720. When we subtract 1720 from 1850, we get the answer. So remainder 130. Here quotient represent number of shirts can be stitched. Remainder represents cloth will remain. Hence 18 shirts can be stitched and cloth left over is 130 centimeters. Let us solve next problem. 10th problem. Medicine is packed in boxes, each weighing 4 kilograms and 500 grams. How many such boxes can be loaded in a van which cannot carry beyond 800 kilograms? Here in this problem, medicine is packed in boxes. The such kind of boxes loaded in a van. Each box weight is 4 kilograms and 500 grams. What we find this problem? To find how many boxes can be filled in a van. The maximum capacity of van is 800 kilograms. Let us start solution. Given that maximum weight of van the van can carry 800 kilograms. The maximum weight of the van can carry 800 kilograms. Here kilograms converted into grams. One kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. 800 into 1000 grams, 8 lakh grams. 8 lakh grams. by according to the problem, weight of each box. Weight of each box or one box is equal to 4 kilograms and 500 grams. Four kilograms and 500 grams can be converted into grams. This can be written as 4 kilograms plus 500 grams. 4 kilograms can be written as 4000 grams because 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. 4 into 1000, 4000 grams plus 500 grams. 4000 plus 500, 4500 grams. We add those two, the result comes 4500 grams. Weight of one box is 4500 grams. What we find this problem? Number of boxes that can be loaded in a van. Therefore number of boxes that can be loaded in the van. Here van capacity 8 lakh grams. Weight of one box is 4500 grams. This is completely division problem. The capacity of van by capacity of each box. Capacity of van 8 lakh grams by $4,500. When we divide 8 lakh by 4,500, $4,500 4,500. When we subtract 4,500 from 8,000, 0, 0, 5, 7 minus 4, 3. Sorry, 3,500. Down this 0, 35,000. 4,500 into 7, 4,500 sevens, 31,500. When we subtract 31,500 from 0, 0, 10 minus 5, 5, 4 minus 1, 3, 35. Next down this under 0, 35,000. Same, 4,500 into 7, 31,500. Ten minus 5, 5, 4 minus 1. Here remainder is 3,500 and the quotient is 137. Here in this problem 177, quotient is 177. quotient represents number of boxes, that is 177 boxes can be loaded in a van. Hence 177 boxes can loaded in a van. Let us solve next problem, that is 11th problem. The distance between the school and student's house is 1 kilometer and 875 meters. Every day she walks both ways. Find the total distance covered by her in 6 days. Once read this question, listen to carefully. The distance between the school and a student's house is 1 kilometer and 875 meters. Every day she walks both ways. Find the total distance covered by her in 6 days. Here the distance between school and house a particular student is given that 1 kilometer and 875 meters. Every day she walks both ways, that means up and down. We have to find total distance covered by in 6 days. Let us start solution. This is also converted into meters. 1 kilometer into 875 converted into meters. Let us start solution. Distance between the school and house how much distance school and house? 1 kilometer and 875 meters. Here 1 kilometer and 875 meters converted into meters. 1 kilometer and 875 meters can be written as 1 kilometer plus 875 meters. Here 1 kilometer is equal to how many meters? 1000 meters. 1 kilometer is equal to how many meters? 1000 meters plus 875 meters. Since 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. 1000 plus 875 meters, 1875 meters. The distance between school and house is 1875 meters. By according to the problem, she walks both ways, school to house and house to school. Therefore, distance covered by her in one day. How much distance covered in one day? She house to school, the distance is 1875 meters. School to house, same distance, 1875 meters. We add these two, we get 3750 meters. This is distance covered by her in one day. What we find this problem? Total distance covered she in 6 days. Total distance covered in 6 days. Therefore, total distance total distance covered in 6 days. What we find? Total distance covered in 6 days. How can you find? When we multiply 1 day distance by 6. 1 day distance is 3750 meters. 3750 into 6. What is the answer? 22,500 meters. Total distance covered by hair in 6 days, 22,500 meters. Write in kilometers. 22,000 means 22 kilometers and 500 meters. This is the solution. Let's we start next problem. 12th problem. A vessel has 4 liters and 500 milliliters of curd. In how many glasses? Each of glass 25 ml capacity. Can it be filled? A vessel has 4 liters and 500 milliliters of curd. In how many glasses? Each of 25 ml capacity. Can it be filled? The capacity of a vessel is 4 liters and 500 milliliters. Glass capacity 25 milliliters. What we find this problem? The number of glasses can be filled. Let us start solution. Quantity of curd. Quantity of curd is equal to 4 liters and 500 milliliters. To convert later in milliliters, 4 liters and 500 milliliters can be written as 4 liters plus 500 milliliters. Here 1 liter is equal to how many milliliters? 1000 milliliters. When we multiply by 4 into 1000 milliliters, 4000 milliliters plus 500 milliliters. Since 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. What is the answer? 4000 plus 500? 4500 milliliters. The quantity of curd in the vessel is 4000 milliliters. Now, by according to the problem, capacity of each glass 25 milliliters. To find the number of glasses can be filled. Therefore, the number of glasses can be filled. This is completely division problem. The capacity of vessel by the capacity of each glass. What is the capacity of vessel? 4500 milliliter by what is the capacity of glass? 25 ml. When we divide 4500 by 25, what is the result? First we completely division 4500. 25 ones are 25. down this 0. 25 edger 200, remainder 0. The 0 replaced in the quotient, that is equal to 180. The quotient represent number of glasses can be filled. Therefore, hence curd can be filled in 180 glasses. Curd can be filled in 180 glasses. This is the solution. This is the exercise 1.2, knowing our numbers. Thank you for watching.